Hi everybody. So we will now try answering the exercises items given on your book on page 178. Let's try number 1. 7 is to 14. You write the following ratio in simplest. So in the previous video, I taught you how to simplify. So what's the first step, Gani? The first step is to write the ratio in a fraction form. Correct? Now let's write 7 is to 14 into fraction form, and that would be 7 over 14. Why should we not write 14 is to over 7? We will not write it that way because in the ratio given 7 is written. So to make everything easy, you just follow the arrangement. So that's the first step. What's the second step? And the second step is to find the GCF. Why should we need to find the GCF? To simplify this ratio. So in finding the GCF, how should we get it, Gane? Right. We will list the factors of 7 and 14. I know some of you can easily identify what is the GCF, and you're right, the GCF is 7. But to show to everyone how can we find 7, or how uh, do we get 7, is to do this. So let's use lang listing the factors, because 7 and 14 are numbers, are smaller numbers. So the factor of 1 and of 7 rather are 1 and 7. 1 times 7. In 14, we could have 1 times 14. What else? We could also have 2 times 7. So what's the next step? The next step is to identify the common factor. So the common factor or factors, depending on how many common factors are there. Now let's see. There are how many common factors? There are 2. We have 1 and 7. But again, we will not include 1. So that leave us 7 as the only common factor. Since 7 is the only one, then that means it's the greatest common factor too. 7 is the greatest common factor. So our GCF is 7. And what will we do to 7? That's our next step. We will divide it to both 7 and 14. Very good. We divide it to 7. So 7 divided by 7. And also 14 we divide it by 7. And then we proceed. 7 divided by 7 is 1. 14 divided by 7 is 2. So therefore, the simplest ratio of 7 is to 14 is 1 half. However, 1 half is not your final answer. Why? Yes, very good. Whatever is the form given in the item, your final answer must also have the same form. So you cannot have 1 half, but you should answer 1 is to 2. Just follow the arrangement. 1 is written first in this fraction, and so in this form, 1 should also come first. So our answer is 1 is to 2. Are there any questions? Let's have another example.